Hello guys, this is Sam and welcome to Passport Bro! So today we will gonna discuss how are you gonna address the people around you and most especially the family members. So, are you ready? Let's go! Alright, so now let's start with vocabulary, okay? So, what is mom in Bisaya? What is dad in Bisaya? What is grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle? That will be the topic for today. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so in Bisaya, we don't say mom, mom, no. But instead, we say mama, ma. But I have a trivia for you guys. Like, there are some other Filipino that they call their mom mommy, but not mom. Like me, mommy, something like that. And then also in Bisaya, we don't say dad, dad, no. But instead we say papa, pa. Yes, that's how we call our dad. But yes, again, we also call our dad daddy or di. That is how some rich Filipino family often call their parents. Another one, we also call our brother or our older brother kuya. Kuya is for older brother. So older brother, kuya. And then for older sister, ate. You see? And then for younger sibling, either boy or girl, we call them manghod. See that? So, mom, mama, dad, papa, brother, kuya, sister, ate, and then younger sibling, manghod. Alright? So now we're done learning how to address the immediate family members. Now let's move on to the relatives. Okay, so how are we gonna address our grandparents? Let's start with the grandma. So grandma is lola, okay? And then grandpa is lolo. And then aunt is ante. Very simple, right? Aunt, ante. And then uncle is angkol. Kol. And also, though we don't call our cousin this way, cousin, ig-agaw. They are ig-agaw, but we often call them gao. Gao. We often call our cousin like that. But gao is from the root word ig-agaw. Got it? Very simple, right? Alright, so now we're using flashlight. No, flash only. We're using flash because it's getting dark. Going back to the topic, what is it again? Okay, so yes, going back, you should never forget to address the family member, especially the elders. Yes, that is very important because, respect or pangatahuran is very important to us Filipinos. So, we cannot call our mom Jenny, or we cannot call our dad Robert that way. No, we cannot call them by their first name. Even our grandma, or even our sister, or our older sister, or our older brother. Because you might get a misconception about your personality if you do that. They might get a misconception about you that you are a rude person. Of course, we don't want that. Which means you should always call your older sister ate. You should always call your older brother kuya. You should always call your mom a mama. You should always call your dad a papa. You should always call your grandma lola. And you should always call your grandpa a lolo. There's no first name basis in here, guys. But do you know, guys, that it is not only our real grandma, our real grandpa, our real aunt or uncle, or our real sister or brother that we can call ate, kuya, lolo, lola, ante, and uncle? No. But people that we see that you think is suitable for that address is or can be also called that way. Like for example, you meet someone in a grocery store. You can call them ate. Like, excuse me, te. Pwede ko mangutana? So, but yeah, we can also use ma'am or sir. But here in the Philippines, we often call them kol, kuya for the for guys, and then ate or ante for the girls or for women. Okay? There's a lot of mosquito, guys. That's why we're planning to change our location. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So yes, when you go here in the Philippines, you should bring. That's why your mosquito repellent, because there's a lot of mosquito in some certain areas. Though there are some areas as well that there's no mosquito. But just to make sure, of course, you don't know where you're going. So just bring your insect repellent. Okay? Just to be safe. Okay, guys. So now let's ask their opinion. What is their thought about not calling or not using an address when they are talking to their elders? Like for example, mom or dad. Okay. So how about you? What's your name?
Ayan.
And you? Okay, so we have Ayan and Crystal. Anyway, let's ask them, what is your opinion about the person who doesn't call their mom mom or who doesn't call their dad dad? Tanaw ni, unsay paminaw nimo anang tao nga dili mo mong tawag? Yes.
Kurang ka ng bali, kurang balayos dito sa kuwan. Sa isa ka tao.
Yes, rude. Yeah. Exactly. There's no respect. Walay pangatahuran. How about you, Crystal?
Different answer then.
Oh, same answer too. Yes.
This one?
There's no first name basis here in the Philippines, guys. Okay, guys. So I think that's all for today. I think it's already tonight. I think that's all for this video. And I hope that you enjoy. And if you do, you can hit the like button and then you can comment down below if you have any questions. And also, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And if you have any questions, you can also go to my live stream. You can watch my live stream. Just go to the passportbro.team. And then, what else? I think that's all. So yes, guys, I hope that you really enjoy my video. I love you. Goodbye.